All right, y'all, here we go. Here's part 2. We're talking about arithmetic sequence summation. So remember, we call this a series. This is an arithmetic series. So the sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic sequence is given by S of n equals n over 2 times ace of 1 plus ace of n. So this is going to be our first term and our last term. And our last term is going to be given this equation, ace of n equals ace of 1 plus n minus 1 times d, which is given to you in the last section. Okay, so I have these two examples. They go together here. It's kind of breaking down one problem. So it wants us to find the sum of the first 17 terms. So it's in two parts here, kind of step 1, step 2. We first need to find the nth term of the sequence. Find the general term first. It makes your life a lot easier. Here's my finite sequence. I'm adding 4 each time. And my first term is 3. So 4 is d, ace of 1 is 3. So I have ace of n equals 3 plus n minus 1 times 4. All right, so then to find the sum of the first 17 terms, I need n, I need ace of 1, and I need ace of n, given this equation. It's already given above. You can probably still see it. You definitely can. That's okay. Can't hurt to write it again. Okay, so we need n, ace of 1, and ace of n. N's easy. It's 17. We're looking for the first 17 terms. Ace of 1, again, it's easy. We used it in the last problem. It's 3. And then ace of n. So we know that n is 17, so we need to find what ace of 17 is by plugging it into this equation right here. So I have 3 times 17 minus 1 times 4, which if you were to calculate that out, you would get 67. So then we'll just plug all this stuff into this equation. So we have s of 17 equals 17 over 2 times 3 plus 67. We'll use Desmos to calculate that out. Not that window. Here we go. So 4. Okay, so we have 17 over 2 times 3 plus 67. We get 595 as that value. Awesome. All right, and then we're going to do one more, but our sequence is given to us in a different way. It's given, the sum is given in a different way. So it's the sum of 2n minus 7 from n equals 1 to 60. We're using the same equation. I'm going to write it again just for kicks and giggles. Our n is this 60 right here. That's how many terms we're going to have. So s of 60 equals, I did not need to write that just yet. So we're looking for n, ace of 1, and ace of n. So our last term, first term, last term, and this is our number of terms. So we have 60 terms. Our first term, we're going to find by plugging it into 2n minus 7. So we have 2 times 1 minus 7, negative 5. Then we need to find a sub n, which is the same thing as a sub 60. So we have 2 times 60 minus 7 is 113. We'll plug all that stuff into our equation. Sorry, I kind of cut that off. So I have 60 over 2 times negative 5 plus 113. So we have 30 times 108. Go ahead and grab a calculator. You should get that this value is 3,250 if we added the first 60 terms together. Okay, that's all. Don't forget to ask me questions on homework if you have them. Have a great day.